Something else that can be a catalyst towards some kind of distress then, Victor, I'm thinking here of the real estate market. There are pockets of Europe where we're seeing trouble in the real estate market, and there are warning signs perhaps in other geographies as well. Where in real estate are you concerned or see opportunities at the moment? There's a lot of talk about commercial mortgage-backed securities, CMBS. Are you in that space? What's your view on the sector?
The US is a little ahead of the repricing than Europe is, right? And look, we deal in both jurisdictions. We often find that to be true, Anna. So if in real estate, one of the biggest asset classes is office. New York accounts for a disproportionate amount of office CMBS, office debt. Vacancies in New York are 20% and climbing. When you look at kind of a whole bunch of debt which is coming due, when you have those underlying economic characteristics, like you can't rent your space out, we think you're about ready, in a slow motion way, you're about ready to start a cascade of restructurings in office space, right? Europe's a little further behind. It is, the vacancy in London is lower, but the same impact. It's coming through, right?
Okay.
And it's going to be multi-years.
Talking of cascades sounds worrying. I mean, we've seen what cascades in property markets can do in the past. Yeah. Are you thinking this gets that nasty?
We think parts of it, not all of it. There are some really interesting businesses in real estate, like the logistics business, the multifamily business. Higher interest rates are going to hurt. No question about that. But they don't have the underlying business dynamics of office property. And that makes office really separate. Office accounts for typically a third of all the debt out there. And cascade do worry, right? I would not, when I think about what is going to happening to the office market and what's coming, and it all comes, Anna, it doesn't come, it comes around debt maturing. Everybody hides until the debt...
Until they can't.
Until they can't, right? And those maturities are upon us. There are a couple of very noteworthy name brand deals in the US, which are just in the process of starting those restructuring discussions, and we think it's just the start.